So today our class is making dog treats for the New Albany Animal Shelter to sell at Harvest Homecoming to help raise funds for everything they need at the shelter. It's really important that we have community projects for our students so they know the importance of giving back to their community. A highlight for me is when they come in those first few days and really don't even know their way around the kitchen. A lot of students struggle with basic tasks like boiling water and cooking noodles, so to see them grow over the course of 9 weeks and really see how their cooking skills have enhanced is a highlight for me.
I love the project. I love dogs, and it just smelled so good, and I had fun making it, knowing it wasn't just for me, knowing it was gonna go out to other people and it's gonna help another dog.
It's fun. It takes my mind off stuff. I really enjoy it. I really love cooking. It just makes me happy. Miss Allen, she's really great. She's nice, she's sweet. She helps me with everything. She's really a good teacher.
The culinary pathway here is wonderful for students who aren't quite sure what they want to do yet, and most students know that they enjoy to eat, so it's nice that we get to teach life skills here, from doing simple tasks like dishes, and they have to do the laundry too and learn to cook for themselves. It's nice to teach them life skills that they can take when they leave New Albany High School.